Welcome back to Squawk Box. Rick Santelli here live at CME HQ with important breaking news. Initial continuing claims may be our best kind of real-time evaluation of the labor market. 191,000 on initial jobless claims. That is a really low number.
So that's what Rick Santelli came out with today, but there was another number saying this was the worst layoffs ever. So why do you care about any of these things? Well, the reason why you're here is you're trying to figure out what mortgage rates are doing. So you're trying to figure out, should I lock in and refinance now? Should I buy? Should I wait? What should I do? Well, folks, my name is Dan Frio. I'm the host of the Rate Update. I'm also a licensed mortgage loan officer in all 50 states. Been doing this for over 35 years. My goal each day is to help you understand what in the heck's going on with those and the whys behind it. So today, right now, what we're going to just look at is where rates are going to go. Okay, so there's two pieces of the puzzle we're going to look at: employment and inflation. Those are the two pieces of the things that the Fed watches. That's all you should really care about right now. So without all the mumbo jumbo, let's get over to it. Here's what Rick Santelli has to say about the rest of this. Then I'm going to show you some contrarian numbers about this, and that's why the markets are confused, and that's why the markets, I don't think, are really going to do much anything. So, Rick, what's the rest of the news?
Last week's 216 was the lowest since February. 191. How far back do I have to go? Well, I'll tell you. I have to go all the way back to SEP of 22 when it was 189,000, which takes you back into the 70s to find lower numbers. Now,
so that's that piece of the puzzle. Okay, but now here's the other piece of the puzzle that came in today. Layoffs announced top 1.1 million this year, the most since 2020. So this is the different pieces of the media you get, folks. So what's really going on? I don't think anybody knows. Okay, so that's why nothing's really going to happen. Okay, so let's get over to mortgage rates. Here's what mortgage rates are doing right now. Mortgage rates dip once again. So if you're a homeowner right now, please track mortgage rates, or let me do it for you. Go over to our website. It's therateupdate.com. There's a tool right over there, RateWatch 2.0. It's an upgraded version of what we used to have. But what this does is put in the mortgage rate you want to be notified. And when it hits there, I'll reach out to you and we'll go through the numbers and see if it makes sense. So check it out. That's for homeowners. Let's say you're looking to buy. What should you do? Well, you can't lock in right now, so let's get over to the news that we have, a little bit of news we have the rest of this week, and I'll give you my projection of what to do if you're looking to maybe buy in the next 30 days or maybe looking to buy in the next few months. So tomorrow, we're going to get a big piece of the information. This is inflation numbers that really the Federal Reserve watches. It's called the PCE. So if you ever check any of these news outlets, they're going to say, okay, inflation. They're going to say PCE. That's what they're talking about. So this is the inflation number the Federal Reserve watches. So here's what's most likely going to happen with the Fed. Okay, right through here. They're next week, next Wednesday, they're coming out and they're going to tell us what they're going to do. Well, folks, there's 87% chance they're going to cut rates, but that doesn't mean mortgage rates are going to go down. Where the inflation numbers are going, where the jobs report numbers are going, where everything else is going, and the markets just don't know. So they're going to just be stagnant right now. So my expectations, and I'm going to go over, should you lock or float? Well, if you're buying a house right now, you get a house under contract, just lock in. Okay, mortgage rates, I don't know if you realize, they're only about, from the beginning of the year to now, there might be about a 0.25% difference. Don't know if you realize that. Okay, so most likely they're not going to do anything. So just lock in. The holidays are here. Enjoy it. You're going to close in 30 days, 45 days, 60, 90 days. Just float. Okay, we're going to just watch and monitor the rates and things like that. Just subscribe over there. Every morning I come in, post a video, I'm going to try to condense these as much as I can just to give you the brunt of the information you need. So the Federal Reserve is going to cut. It doesn't mean the markets are going to, or the mortgage rates are going to come down. They're just going to be stagnant, folks. So that's the report we're seeing basically my take on this. You're also seeing the markets just stagnant through here. What they're waiting for now is what next week rate decision from the Fed. So nobody really knows what to do. That's why look across here. When's the last time you saw the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones at 30 points? It's been a long time. The VIX is down saying, okay, Wall Street's pretty much chilling right now. Crypto, I think, it's doing okay. And oil, we watch oil because this helps us try to figure out what's going on in inflation. So these are just pieces of the puzzle I watch to monitor to help kind of explain to you guys what the heck's going on with those and the whys behind it. So if you're a homeowner looking to refinance right now, visit me right over through here. You're looking to buy? Well, we can help you as well. So check out all the tools we have through here. But what we'd like you to do is if you're looking to buy, let's make sure you're getting qualified with the right program. So reach out to us, put in your application, give us a call, request an appointment, and make sure you check out some of these latest videos that we just posted down through here, because on my YouTube channel, I have over 5,000 videos. There's got to be something there that you can learn from. But hopefully today you learned why and what in the heck's going on with those and the whys. Thanks for watching. I will be back tomorrow at the opening bell to let you know how those inflation numbers come in and what happens to these things over here. Join me tomorrow to figure that out. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.